Dawn. The first appearance of daylight in a dream represents the birth of girls or their marriage. Seeing the dawn in a dream also may signify remembrance of God Almighty and reading of the Quran. Seeing the dawn in a dream also means walking into the light of guidance. It also means happiness and continuous joy. If one loses something in the night then finds it at dawn in a dream, it means that his opponent denies something he unjustly took from him, then a witness arrives to testify for one's benefit and to help him recuperate his property.
Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to receive more videos from this channel.
Paintings, art, picture, portrait in a dream. Paintings represent memories, guidance, or advice. Paintings in a dream also denote the passing of time, advancing of years, or the days of one's life. As for an immigrant, paintings in his dream mean reunion with his family, beloved, or commanding good and forbidding evil. Parrot, any bright-colored tropical bird. In a dream, a parrot represents a prodding man, a white slave trader, a liar and an unjust person. A parrot in a dream also can be interpreted as a philosopher whose son may also grow to be a philosopher. A parrot in a dream also represents a lively and an eloquent beautiful woman, or a brilliant, well-articulated and a handsome-looking boy. A parrot in a dream also represents an attractive foreign woman, or it could represent a swaggering man who constantly brags and boasts about himself, though he is filled with conceit, covetousness, and has an oppressive nature.